Good morning, everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and this morning I have a special unboxing. I received in my Happy Mail yesterday my quarterly Afghan club from Mary Maxim. I joined this a few months ago and have been really pleased with the products that I've received. So the quarterly crochet Afghan club from Mary Maxim, they have a knit one and a crochet one. Of course, you know I'm not doing the knit one. $29.99 a month, so $30 a month plus shipping. You get everything you need to make an Afghan. Of course, you don't know what you're getting, so sometimes that's a good thing or a bad thing. So let's see what we got this time. Here we are. Have not looked at this. So it's dark. Sometimes that's not good. We got that. Okay, so we got our shipping list, quarterly Afghan club, and you get one Afghan kit every 3 months on this. Oh, what's this? The Best of Mary Maxim Ripple Afghans. 10 of the absolute best designs to fit your every single cozy need. Wow. That is a nice book. Really interesting design. Oh, look at that one. These round ones have really caught my eye lately. So this has a value. This sells for $10. $10. Even with a coupon, you know, you're going to still pay $6 for something like this. That's pretty amazing. Leisure Arts. That's cool. Wasn't expecting to get that. Let's see what the main thing is. Look at that pretty sunset behind me. It's going to be another beautiful day. It's so cold here, though. Colder than I was expecting it to be. Okay, once again, we've got the great bag that they send everything in that I adore. Premier 42 by 42 velvet yarn. Sometimes that's hard to work with. It's hard to see your stitches. Ribbed crochet throw. I am just learning to do the ribbing, cables, things like that. Wow, there's a lot of yarn in here. Retro Velvet Premier Retro Velvet Grand yarn. 44 yards, 200 grams. 44 yards in this great big ball. So this is a big skein of yarn. Or I'm sorry, big thickness. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Looks like a caterpillar. It is super, super soft. But I know with it being dark and this kind of yarn, it's going to be so hard to see those stitches. That is a beautiful color. Look at that navy color. Okay, Premier Retro Velvet Grand. Obviously, I've never worked with this before, so I don't know what I'm in for. 44 yards. This is 7 ounces. 100% polyester. 7 jumbo. 7 jumbo. Well, it ought to work up fast. I bet it's going to be a pain to frog this stuff. Machine wash, warm, dry flat. That kind of surprises me. Wow. Oh, very, very, very soft. This is going to be something. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 skeins of that Retro Velvet Grand. Wow. It's a 3-row repeat. The entire, I can't show you the instructions, but look, that's the whole instructions right there. Row 1, row 2, row 3, and then do it again. So they do it. Even their close-up picture, you can't really see the design. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be gorgeous when it's done. You're not going to be able to see the stitch definition whatsoever with this dark yarn. It's dark and fluffy yarn. You use a, I don't even have a hook this size, US S35, which is a 19 millimeter crochet hook. I don't even know. Okay, so this isn't going to happen right away. This is going to go in the stash because I don't even have a hook that size and I'm out in the middle of nowhere. So I can guarantee my Walmart doesn't have anything that size. 19 millimeter. Oh, that's not that. I used to have one that was probably as big around as a quarter. And I made a blanket for my grands out of a really thick yarn. Very similar to this. I wonder if that's the size I need. Well, anyway, here we go. I think this is probably definitely worth the value. I know these great big yarns are quite expensive. Retro Velvet Grand. I will look up and see how much this yarn is. Premier. Sometimes these things are discontinued, and so you can't even get more if you need it. And so that's always a problem for me. But if not, I'll let you know how much this costs, and I'll put it in the information down below. So that is my Mary Maxim. Can you see it? My Mary Maxim Crochet Afghan of the month. I think it's probably a pretty good value for 30 bucks. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.